सभी को नमस्कार. Today we will do practice of Padambakasana. Padambakasana is very effective for the strength of our arms and for our whole body strength and for our stamina also. It is more effective for the power of shoulders and wrist. It is also effective for our digestive system and for our reproductive system strength. It is very easy and asana. After practice it seems to be very easy, but who have problem in shoulder, they should do it carefully, especially if you have weak wrist and shoulder. Then slowly go into the practice of this asana. First you can do the practice of Bhujangasana and different types of Yogdanda for getting strength in your wrist and shoulders, and then try to do the practice of this Padambakasana slowly. For it is necessary that we can do easily Padmasana, then it will be very easy for us. Padmasana means both feet on your thighs. Sit in relaxed position. भुजाओं की शक्ति के लिए हमारे पाचन संस्थान और हमारे प्रजनन संस्थान के लिए ये अभ्यास बहुत ही उपयोगी है, स्पेशली हमारे कंधों और कलाइयों की ताकत के लिए. इसके अलावा ये हमारे मानसिक एकाग्रता को भी बढ़ाता है. इट आल्सो इंक्रीज अवर कंसंट्रेशन. इट इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव फॉर कंसंट्रेशन पावर आल्सो. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन दिस सिटिंग in the Padmasana position, then hand on the back. First relax your back, make flexible yourself, stretching one side, another side, stretch up. Practice some practice of your arms, shoulder activation by putting your finger on shoulder. Then again, because the flexibility bending of back is important in it. If you are hard muscles, hard hip muscles, then it seems to be difficult to do in starting. Now we have to bend our leg, put our arms over the knees, both palms fixed on the floor, and then slowly raise your hips up, gazing front and hold. It is very simple practice. Maintain the balance for increasing our concentration. Balance, it also needs the balance. And then after holding it, enjoyfully, you can raise hip more, but you can keep joyfully, and then slowly come down. Yes, look, it's very simple. You can do it. We have to do it by both legs, by changing. First we put this leg on the thigh. Now we will put this leg on this side first and this leg on this first. So both side Padmasana. First we will put left leg up. Now we put right leg. Again, look, bring your leg near the body, your knee behind the arms, upper arms. Then again, look, slowly raise up and up. Hold it, enjoy it. You can feel the pressure on our wrist, shoulders. You can make the elbow straight also, and then come back. Yes, it is very simple practice. If you do it every day, then it will be looks very simple. Relax your legs. It also effective for the health of our legs. So again, let us do, if you cannot do in like this, if you are not enough flexible to bring your legs near your body, so then you have to do another thing. Stand up on the knees, fix your palms, then slowly, not hard, slowly come up, make balance every day. First make balance here, 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 come back. Then every day increase your legs more and more up, here, here. Then it come near your elbows. Then you can bend. First practice this for some days. Look. And then again come easily like this. So it is very effective for the strength of our arms and wrist. We will never get problems in our arms and wrist and in shoulders if we will do practice of Padambakasana. But don't get problem by Padambakasana. We should be careful. So if you cannot hold long, in starting hold for little time and increase your strength of palms and shoulders first by doing Bhujangasana, Surya Namaskar and different yoga dandas which we will practice in our yoga sessions. So we will keep updating by the different videos of yogasana every time. So please subscribe our my YouTube channel and on your notification so that when I will update the different videos of asanas, you can check it or you can get it easily. सभी को नमस्ते. ओम शांति शांति शांति.